In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create simple pages in Confluence. Confluence makes it easy to capture notes, document processes, and share team knowledge in one place. We'll walk through the basics so you can create a clear page from scratch. First, sign in. Open your company's Confluence URL in your browser and log in with your usual credentials. Many organizations use single sign-on, so just follow your standard prompt. Next, head to the right location. On the left sidebar, select Spaces, then choose the space where this page belongs. A space is a workspace, and picking the correct one keeps information organized and easy to find. I've placed a direct link to Confluence at the top of the description so you can get to the site quickly when you're ready to try this yourself. Now create your page. At the top, click the Create button. Confluence opens a new page. You might see template options. They're useful, but a blank page works well too. Give your page a clear, descriptive title at the top. Aim for something people can search for later, like Q3 release checklist, or onboarding overview. Include a project name or date for context. Add your content using the editor. Type your text directly and keep paragraphs short. Use headings, H1 for main sections, H2 and H3 for subsections, to create a logical outline readers can scan. When you need structure, turn lines into numbered or bulleted lists. To add images, click the image icon and upload. Add brief alt text. For links, highlight the text, click the link icon, and paste the URL or search for an existing Confluence page. Use descriptive link text like View Sprint Plan rather than raw URLs. If you want extra clarity, organize content with sections. Use the layout option to split the page into columns for side notes, status callouts, or visuals. Keep the main narrative in a wider column so it stays easy to read. When you're ready, click Publish in the top right corner. Your page is now live in the space. Anytime you need to update, open the page, click Edit, make your changes, and publish again. Confluence tracks versions so you can refine over time. That's it. You've created a simple, effective Confluence page. Thanks for watching.